Olaplex, you did something. Let's talk about how to fix damaged hair. You're gonna be just as shook as I was when you find out you only need one product to do this. Hello everyone, I'm Carrie, and today we're gonna talk about a product you can use to help fix your damaged hair, especially if you have curly hair, hair that's been heat styled, hair that's been colored, etc. The list goes on and on. I'm going to be talking about the Olaplex No. 3 product that you can get from eCosmetics today. This is amazing. This is called the Hair Perfector product, and it is meant to be a treatment for your hair. Olaplex has a lot of different products, from another shampoo, conditioner, etc., that you can also use on your hair to help repair it. But this product is one of their most popular because it's not a shampoo and conditioner, it's a treatment that you can add to your own hair routine. Even though my hair looks like this right now, my hair is naturally very curly, and I try to protect my hair as much as possible because I used to heat style it all the time and I would fry it every single day, and I didn't know what I was doing, so my hair got really damaged. So Olaplex is one of those products that I can rely on because it makes my curls look as if I've never heat styled them. So my hair, when I'm ready for wash day, it is fried, dried, looking like she's clocking out early, okay? The ends look terrible, and it's just, it's not a look, okay? She's not giving what she was supposed to give. And so with this Olaplex product, you have to apply it to damp hair. So I dampened my hair, didn't wash it, didn't condition it yet, just made sure that it was wet. And then you want to go in and apply this to your scalp and all the way to your ends, and be as generous as you'd like. So if you have curly hair like me, you know you have to use a lot of products. So I was able to use a lot. I still have product left over. It's not like you're going to use this whole thing in one go. And then you want to let it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can let it sit longer, but I did 10 minutes just to kind of go by the bottle for this. And then you'll go take your shower, wash your hair, condition your hair, do whatever you normally do. And when you come out, your hair, it's gonna be looking brand new, okay? I came out and my hair looked like this. I did not put any product in my hair when I filmed this part of this video. This is my hair right after the shower. My curls, literally before I used this product, I knew I was gonna have to like trim my ends today, but then when I got out of the shower, I was like, what ends do I have to trim? I don't know, or I really need to trim off. My curls were super defined, they look healthy. This product is just absolutely amazing. So if you feel like your hair is super damaged and you really need that one thing to refresh it, get the Olaplex No. 3 treatment. You will not be sorry.